As Ukraine's drone army wears down all of Russia's capability, this Ukrainian drone was chasing down a transport vehicle in high pursuit, as the driver knew it was being chased by the drone. As the vehicle hits the brake and does evasive maneuvers, the drone flies past as the vehicle and drone almost circle each other. But as the drone operator is highly experienced, it wants a clean hit and goes after for a second attempt, chasing down the vehicle, which couldn't avoid the drone any longer, having it ram the back side section of the vehicle, making sure to destroy another of Russia's vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.